Hello world! Welcome back to another MidnightFlag infection write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the forensics challenge, It Remembers Everything, part 2 out of 3. Let's get into it. Now that the user has been identified, we need to understand what he was doing on the machine before we arrived. Find the flag. So I tried all kinds of different things with this image, and I found that actually all we really needed to look at was PS list. And you'll see why here in a moment. Because if you notice, and I've encountered this a few times in the past on various CTFs, it's not that well known that you can do this, but it's there. So exporting the files won't work, or trying to extract the files won't work. Any kind of dumping of the files won't work either. You can scan the files, but you won't find anything. So the only thing you are left to do is analyzing the processes, okay? And you'll notice that there's an MS Paint process here. So what I've come to learn in these CTFs is that if there's a paint process, sometimes somebody's left some kind of drawing on it that you can actually look at. And I'll show you how to. So what I did was I ran this command right here, volatility, and then, you know, the usual parameters, and then memdump tacp for the process, and then I dumped it in my current directory. So I ran that, letting it run, okay? And then you come to your, wherever you dumped it at, which I dumped it in my current directory. You'll notice I have a .data right here, which is when I solved it previously, but what you want is this .dmp file here, and you want to actually change it to .data. And yes, you'll notice the GIMP icon here. You want to open this in GIMP. Okay, so you're presented with this window. Go ahead and expand it a little bit. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set this width and height is basically resolution in pixels, right? Or whatever. So what you want to set it to is 1920 by 1080. Or at least that's what I did. It may work at a shorter range, but this worked for me, so I left it. I think I can just type it in here. Yes. Okay, if we scroll down, you'll notice there's something here. It looks like readable text. Okay. And so we'll just say open. And now we want to transform this, of course, right? So we're going to say, we're going to right click the image and we're just going to transform, and we want to flip vertically. All right. And there you go. MCTF, curly brace, mem, or redump. It's sectioned off like this. It's repeating because we didn't get the exact resolution right, but you can make it out right here. MCTF, open brace, M3M, or redump. And I'm not sure if it's case sensitive, but I'm pretty sure I did something along these lines. Because whatever I did work. So MCTF, mem, and I think I did ori underscore dump, like that. It's either that or it was like this. Okay, so one of those will work. And that's it for this challenge. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.